Hi there, this is Sean Broderick for Uncommon Wisdom Daily. Yesterday, the International Energy Agency announced big news. China has pushed past the U.S. to become the world's #1 consumer of energy. This is a title that the U.S. has held for the last 100 years. China devoured 2,252 million tons of oil equivalent last year, or about 4% more than the U.S. The term oil equivalent includes all forms of energy consumed, including crude, natural gas, coal, even nuclear power. Now, this has huge implications. China was expected to surpass the U.S. eventually, but not for years to come. This milestone happened because the global recession hit the U.S. more severely than China and hurt American industrial activity and energy use. At the same time, China continues to build new power plants at a furious pace, and millions of new Chinese drivers are hitting the road in new cars. The news yesterday lit a fire under oil, and you can play this move if you want to. An easy way to do it is through the United States Oil Fund, symbol USO. Let's have a look at a chart. The USO tracks oil closely, but not exactly. Still, you can see that the USO has been making higher lows and is above its 50-day moving average again. It still needs to get through recent overhead resistance. After that, it could have a shot at rising to its 200-day moving average. That's about an 8% move higher from recent prices. If you have the stomach to trade a leveraged oil fund, you could potentially double that move. Just remember that leveraged funds carry greater risk along with greater potential reward. If you want more on the fundamentals moving oil, go read my column from last week, Big Fat Paydays in Energy, or watch my video from last week, Energy is on the Launch Pad. For people who insist that the U.S. be #1 in everything, don't worry. The U.S. is still by far the biggest energy consumer per person, with the average American burning 5 times as much energy annually as the average Chinese citizen. I don't think that's something to be proud of. That's a weakness. And it's one more reason why the need to develop alternative energy is critical. This is Sean Broderick for Uncommon Wisdom Daily. Thanks for watching.